take photo, you just sit down in your row in corner. You take video ko?
Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to our Penang Park Bird Show. My name is Daniel, and I'm going to be your host for the bird show today. And here's our bird trainer, Jojo Tai, with a macaw named Shandy. Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank our Shandy. Yeah, thank you, Shandy, for the opening show. Really good today. Yeah, our Shandy's green-winged macaw that come from South and Central America. Also the largest parrot in the world. Okay, before we start the show, let me review some history of Penang Park. Our Penang Park actually is the first bird park in Malaysia. It officially opened in 1988, so we have been 35 years operating here at seberang, Jaya. Our Penang Park here, we have more than 3,000 birds, descending from 300 species. Half of them are from local Malaysia and half of them are from other countries.
Later, can we go to the
We also have
ostrich?
a protecting animal like a mouse, deer, crocodile, python, bigcat and others. Yeah, because of the forestation and development, we have lost so many types of species of birds and animals around the world. But never mind, Penang Park here is a club breeding many kind of birds such as peacock, pheasant, hornbill, pelican, owl, and other birds. So in our show today, we'll feature the endangered bird species from Malaysia and around the world, which are very rare species. Okay, now let's welcome our endangered bird star. That's our blue and yellow marker. Yeah, here's our bird trainer John with the macaw named Bobby. Yeah, we like Bobby. Yeah, both of them are the largest bird in the world. They come from South and Central America. They are very social birds. They live in large groups. They like to eat beef, peanut, and vegetable. Yeah, they are vegetarian birds. Another thing is they can grow up until 1 meter tall and live up until 70 years old. See, and any bird.
I also can live until 100 years old.
I think out here want to say hi to everyone. Shandy, can you give the mic five? Shandy, up your leg, hi to everyone. Okay, one more time, hi. Okay, Shandy, using their legs and wings, say hi to everyone. About Bobby, can you give the mic five, Bobby? Yeah, relax, Bobby. Come on, give the mic five, up your leg, hi to everyone. Okay, very good. Yeah, very nice, Bobby. Okay, both of them, they have a hand. But using their legs, hi to everyone. Okay, now, let's start the game. Our first game is a ring race.
So it's a parrot. So can talk up.
All the ring to the pillar. After the ring race, we have a basketball match show, and then we are going to show you another bird. Okay, Shandy, are you ready for the game, Shandy? Okay, come on, please welcome our Shandy to start the game.
He's going to perform already. Stop now. Why don't you perform already?
Yeah, before we start the game,